Welcome back to Born to Trade. Today we are looking at SOPA. We want to cover a few things here today in regards to trading the upward momentum of a stock that is breaking out. Here we see this beautiful chart, Not a lot of technicalities where trading it is concerned. This stock is very hot right now, and so we just wanted to cover how we trade this one based on the questions that we've been getting as to how we do this. So here we see pre-market. The stock was up in pre-market, then it came down even right below the lows of the previous day, which can be an indication for short. But this one here had it's a little bit of a fake out in terms of seeing if the market was going to go that direction, but the traders decided to pull it into another direction. And this stock right here, as we see, it's a 2-minute chart we're looking at right here. So we see coming down, opening up, the first candle was red, and then immediately it went green, consolidated, you see the hammer right there, and a few minutes later broke above the VWAP line. That right there got with a lot of volume. That right there would get a lot of traders interested as we broke above this resistance level right here. We see right there, break above that resistance level. Now that resistance level becomes support. Resistance level becomes support. And major thing that is happening here is that we are staying above VWAP. So we stayed above VWAP for some time, consolidate, go back and forth. The bulls and the bears are fighting here for a little bit, and then some major moves happened later on in the day in this trade. We see right there where it broke over high of day. Now when a stock broke over the high of the day, that's gonna show up on a lot of people's scanners that this stock is breaking high of day, and everybody who is gonna get involved is gonna get involved around 1181 with their stop loss right at the previous support right there. So you see 1181 break, anticipating $12, and from there the rest is history. You see come up again, goes up all the way to 1263. That's major, and that's a huge move, and it still had a lot left in the tank. Right there we see right there 1271 to be exact, and it broke that high of day. And the rest, you just ride the momentum, and take some position trades as you go, as you ride in momentum upward, trying to take profits as you go along, get back in, buying the dip. You see buying the dip right here. This right here is critical because when you buy the dip, you could either size up, and then you could take back off your even after size right there. But when you see a stock that is hot like this and has a lot of momentum, it's good to let your position ride, take profits, pay yourself, put some money in the bank, and let the rest ride. Look at that beautiful thing right there, all the way up to 17. Again, this is the way we traded this one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and have fun with us as we lead you through some major trading skills over here. All right, bye.